Welcome, tech enthusiasts and Instagram users. Ever sent a message in a group chat that you instantly regret? Don't worry. I'm about to show you the ultimate trick to unsend messages on Instagram's web version, and trust me, it's super easy. Today, I'm revealing the step-by-step process to delete those awkward, embarrassing, or mistaken group chat messages without breaking a sweat. Whether it's a typo, an accidental send, or just something you'd rather not have everyone see, Instagram's got your back. Let's dive right into the process. First, fire up your computer and open Instagram's website. Make sure you're logged into your account. That's crucial. Now, look at the left side of your screen. See that messages icon? Go ahead and click on it. 1. This will open up your direct message inbox. Scroll through your chats and find the group conversation where you want to unsend a message. Click to open that group chat. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Hover your mouse over the specific message you want to delete. You'll notice a 3-dot menu appear next to the message one. Click those 3 dots, and a drop-down menu will pop up. Here's your golden moment. Select Unsend. Instagram will ask you to confirm, so go ahead and click Unsend again. 1. And just like magic, that message vanishes from everyone's chat, like it was never even sent. Pro tip: you can unsend messages even after they've been sent with no time limit. 1. However, if someone has already read the message through notifications, unsending won't erase their memory of it. One last thing. Be careful and sure before you unsend. This action deletes the message permanently for everyone in the chat on 1. So double check before you hit that unsend button. There you have it. The ultimate guide to cleaning up your Instagram group chat mess. Quick, easy, and totally discreet. Happy messaging, and may your group chats be drama-free.